Yo, our poor dear wee little bean. He's slinging his spot. This is where he lays. Like every evening and night. Is right here. He'll lay there and stare at me for food. And eventually he'll go over to his food area and just start sticking his head around and doing all kinds of stuff. But our poor baby bean. I had laid down my acupuncture mat down to lay on it. And he went and stepped on it, not realizing, it has these little pricks on there, and he stood on it, and he was in immediate pain. He hunched down, and I got him to him real fast, but that made me feel really, really bad. I mean, he didn't know any better, knowing that these would hurt him, but I'm hoping he learned his lesson and won't do it again. Oh yeah, he just sniffed something on the ground. And my Thanksgiving leftovers are ready. I'm gonna go get them. This might be a more than one day vlog because it's nighttime. I don't know, we shall see. And my stupid neighbors are home. And they're probably gonna start playing their TV and music loud because life is a party to them. They went until 1:30 last night. Woo! Just thought I would share with you. He likes to lay against me here and he likes his belly rubbed. But he has to have his leg over my arm. Just like this. Anytime you rub his belly, he has to have your arm between his legs. I'm pretty sure it's a control issue. He feels like he's in control when he does this. Yeah, he loves his belly rubbed. He will fall asleep to you rubbing his belly too. Oh, that when he's playful, it's a trap. Just so he can grab you. Ew, I can smell your pee. Stinky boy. Little foot. Little kitty foot. His little freckle. Look at that messy butt. Little pee-pee butt. Stanky. You stanky. But you're cute. And I have my Toy Story alien blanket on my lap because I love the Toy Story alien. So cute. Just like the bean. But just like the aliens. You were the chosen one. Ooh. Can I help you? What? Do you want to do some shopping? It's gonna be Cyber Monday in 15 minutes. What? You gonna poke me? No, you're not gonna poke me this time? What? Yeah. You're so cute. Chiku 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 in here. Chiku chiku. What? Okay. Just gonna lay down now. It's the next day, and the little baby is in his bed, and I covered him in the blanket that I had made to him years ago. I did actually do a good job on this one. Sewed it by hand. It took me many days, but it came out sturdy and strong. Oh, look at the little eye of the baby. He's so cute. And we are waiting for his silver play button. Should be here today. So yeah. So Amazing. Can't believe you did it. Yeah. Sweet baby bean. Now I need to go get some exercising because I haven't done it for several days due to my back hurting and then having stomach problems. So it's gonna be rough, but I'm gonna get back into the game. Or I get cranky pants if I don't get my workouts in. I get angry. And you don't like Mary when she's angry. It's cute. Yeah, I'm gonna leave him here, be all sleepy and snuggled up in his bed, and I'm gonna get my sweat on. And I need to charge this camera battery because it is getting low. I just got out of the shower from doing my exercises, and this came in the mail, my YouTube. Beanie, my YouTube button. Well, your YouTube button. Because you're amazing. I'm going to open this on his channel, so be on the lookout for that. You may have already seen that if that goes up before this, which is quite possible. But yes, thank you everybody. And let's see if we can get one of these for Sugar Bean too. And we'll work on getting you the next